Psalms 20, verse 7. Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we will remember the name of the Lord our God. Be reminded that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Welcome if you are new or returning to my channel. I'm Erica. In this video, by the title, you already know that it is another crochet hair install. By the way, I'd like to say thank you all so much for all your support on my previous videos. I see that you guys are liking this kind of content, and yes, by God's grace, there will be more coming, and more frequently by God's grace. By you guys commenting and liking these videos, it really and truly motivate me to do more videos. And not only that, I'm doing something that I enjoy, which is trying out new hair and such. Look at this hair though. This is like what, a day after, and it doesn't feel crunchy, it doesn't feel dry. So that gel really and truly aid in the clumping of the hair. So I'm kind of glad I didn't use the mousse. The hair responded way better. I think I used mousse in the other one, but I think I like this look better. I don't know, what do you guys think? In the other video that I did, I think I will link it here for you guys. Maybe if you guys check that one out, I think I used the mousse, but it was almost like the same thing, but I like this. So either gel or mousse can work for this hair. If you guys want to try the hair, I don't know, or maybe try something similar. I did purchase this hair from my local beauty supply store, and sadly, this is Hypertress. They said when I went, the hair literally was on sale for like $6, and I got 4 packs and I only used 3. And they said that the hair was gonna no longer be in stock. My heart, I was like, no. And then now looking at it, I'm like, no, because the texture of this hair, I think I told you guys before, it's not silky. It's more on the 4C kind of texture, type 4 hair, I want to say. But it's so nice. It was so nice working with this hair. So what I'm going to do, God willing, is probably if I do another sorry, Lord. If I end up using this hair again, I believe I'll do a darker color, because these curls are just, yes, they're happening. I like it. It's like I'm wearing bundles, but it's not. It's not a wig. This is crochet braids. What crochet braids wear? The only thing is that I wish I had gone with a darker color. I kind of wanted to leave this part out because I don't want my hair to break off, and then, you know, so I'm trying to just kind of leave a little portion out so I don't have to go too close toward my hairline when it comes to installing the crochet braids. I liked when I had installed the TF1B27, yes, of course, but I wanted to go for something that looks a little bit more natural, where people will be like, is that your real hair? But actually, I think all my crochet braids are kind of like that already. But I was just feeling the darker color because I guess as summertime rolls around, I feel like it's better to do the darker color, and then as, you know, winter, fall time, springtime, then I could do more of the lighter color. So we'll see. Then again, it doesn't really matter. If I see the hair and I like it, I'm like, yeah, let me just go for this color. You'll see in this video I did something a little bit different. This is an ideal braiding pattern for crochet braids, and for me, this is what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing. Make the hair a little bit smaller, continue slanting that braid there on the side, and then maybe kind of, you know, braid, install the hair like this, so that way you won't see the starting point of that corner. I'm not gonna do too much talking because I know I like doing that. So here's the video. As you can see, what I'm trying to do here is show you my starting point of my braid. So I started with one just a little bit slanted. I braided it all the way at the back, and I kind of caught it right there by my ear, and then I started off with the other slanted one, and then I got the end of that one braid, and then I started with the remainders, and then I just continued catching them all up. And then, as you saw at the beginning, what I did is I took the tail end of that braid and then I tucked it in. I believe altogether here I have 11 cornrows. So far, I've installed one pack of the Hypertress, and this is what it looks like, and now I'm on the second pack. Now, what I'm noticing about this hair is that the pack does come with a lot of hair in it. is kind of like the same thing I'd noticed when I'd first installed it. I believe that's one of the pros that I'd mentioned about this hair, and I'm noticing the same thing. So they didn't ration the hair at all, and I really do like it. So going in on the second pack, I was pretty excited about that, to see that I was literally more than halfway done my hair. So that's one thing I'm gonna miss about this hair. Hopefully maybe they'll have it at another location or something. And this is what it looks like now, 2 full packs. Yeah, so I was pretty excited because, as you can see, the hair is full. It looks really lovely, and I'm now on the 3rd pack. Now this is what I meant when I said I wish I'd gone ahead and maybe tried a color number 2 or a 1B, because it would have blended so much better with the bit of leave out that I have there. But it still looks nice once I put some edge control and what have you in there. Now, I did mention in the earlier parts of this video that I did indeed go ahead and I applied gel to the hair, but first what I will do is I will mist it with some water. This is the final install as to what the 3 packs look like without me, you know, cut in and put in gel in it. But what I did do is I kind of trimmed the ends, because altogether it was 22 inches. But what I did do for the front is I did cut the hair in half and I feathered it, and that is how I was able to achieve the layering effect for my hair. I'm not sure which other gel I would recommend in case any of you guys are going to ask, but this is the one that I tried. It was a clear gel, and I do like how it ended up leaving the hair. But again, this part is optional. I believe that you could opt in for just misting the hair with water and applying some mousse, because I did mention that either would work, either the mousse or the gel. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you do like videos and content like this, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, comment, like, and share. God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Until then, God willing, take care and bye. Bye for now.